Today I'm going to be reviewing this money sign with the crown on here. It's basically just saying cash is king. I think that's pretty cool. This can be made with an acrylic and it's going to produce a little bit less energy when using this. It's going to be a neon light, and on the back it's going to have a sticker you can kind of see, so that goes through the back. So even when it's not lit, you can still see actually what's there. A lot of signs don't do that. It's kind of like a graffiti cartoon kind of look, but this also has a dimmer switch. We're going to be installing this and I'm going to show you what this looks like. Now this does come with a USB, and I'm just going to use my own adapter here, and I'm just going to plug that in so I can plug this into an outlet. And we're also going to get a chain that comes with it. So this is going to be nice. There's already pre-cut holes inside this acrylic. We're going to be able to just put this right in real easy. It's already cut out. Then you can just hang it up just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and hang this up, and we're going to turn this on and see what it looks like. All right, now I'm just going to turn this on with the power button right on the switch. And check that thing out. That is so cool. I love that. I love the yellow and the green, and that looks absolutely amazing. Now you can go up with it, so let's see what that looks like. We can dim this down, so you can see that's dimming down the lowest setting. Maybe like 4 clicks of adjustment, but going up and down is pretty nice. That is so cool. It looks absolutely amazing. Now, let's go ahead and take a little bit of a closer look. All right, so I got this set up here on my brick backdrop, and this looks incredible. I love the way that the light beams off of here. It looks amazing. It's pretty awesome because if you turn it off, you can still see what this looks like. Now, with a click of a button, it just goes right up. And then if you just want to dim it down, but still have the light on so it's not drawing a whole bunch of attention, you can turn that down. That's really nice. At the end of the day, I give this a 10 out of 10. If you're looking for a nice accent light for your bar, restaurant, man cave, bedroom, this is definitely the one that I recommend. It looks awesome. They have other options as well to choose from, so make sure you check them all out. Add them to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.